peaceful village, there lived a poor farmer named Aslam. Despite his poverty, Aslam was known for his hard work and honesty. Every day he would wake up early and tend to his barren field, hoping that one day his efforts would pay off. Life was not easy, but Aslam never lost hope or his good character. The villagers respected him for his dedication, even though he had little to show for it. This is where our story begins, with a man whose heart was richer than his pocket. On sunny morning, Aslam set out to plough his barren field as usual. The land was dry and hard, making his work even more challenging. But Aslam didn't complain. He pushed his plough with all his strength, determined to make the most of what he had. The sweat on his brow was a sign of his perseverance. As he worked, he thought about how he could improve his farm and provide a better life for himself. Little did he know, something extraordinary was about to happen. Suddenly, Aslam's plough got stuck in the roots of an old, dried-up tree. He tried to pull it free, but it wouldn't budge. Curious and a bit frustrated, Aslam decided to dig around the roots to see what was blocking his way. As he dug deeper, he noticed something unusual buried beneath the soil. His heart raced with anticipation, wondering what he might find hidden under the earth. Aslam's hands brushed against something hard and wrapped in cloth. He carefully pulled it out and realized it was an old pouch, covered in dirt and dust. His mind filled with question, what could be inside? Was it just some old rubbish or something valuable? With trembling hands, he opened the pouch, not knowing that his life was about to change forever. To Aslam's astonishment, the pouch was filled with shining gold coins. He stared in disbelief, unable to believe his luck. The coins sparkled in the sunlight, promising wealth beyond his dreams. For a moment, Aslam imagined how his life could change overnight. No more worries, no more hunger. But as the excitement faded, a new thought entered his mind. Bitain, Arbi Noon, Arbi Waw, Arbi Alif, Arbi Noon. Arbi Alif, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Mim, Arbi Alif, Arbi Noon, Arbi Dal, Arbi Alif, Arbi Ra, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Sin, Arbi Alif, Arbi Noon, Arbi Alif, Arbi Waw, Arbi Ra, Arbi Jim, Arbi Alif, Arbi Dal, Arbi Waw, Arbi Hamzat Lai, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Dal, Arbi Ra, Arbi He, Arbi Ta. Arbi Alif, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Kaf, Arbi Gaf, Arbi Alif, Arbi Hamzat Law, Arbi Kachabiye, Arbi Mim, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Kachabiye, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Lam, Arbi Mim, Arbi Noon, Arbi Alif, Arbi Mim, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Alif, Arbi Alif, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Kaf, Arbi Hen, Arbi Ra, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Ba, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Sin, Arbi Alif, Arbi Noon, Arbi Ra, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Ta, Arbi Alif, Arbi Ta, Arbi He, Arbi Alif, Arbi Waw, Arbi Kachasi. Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Lam, Arbi Mim, Arbi Noon, Arbi Bari, Arbi Waw, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Alif, Arbi Kachabi, Arbi Kaf, Arbi He, Arbi Dal, Arbi Alif, Arbi Hamzat Lai, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Kaf, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Ta, Arbi Waw, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Bari, Arbi Waw, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Alif, Arbi Kachabi, Arbi Sin, Arbi Bari, Arbi Alif, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Kaf, Arbi Pa, Arbi Ra, Arbi Alif, Arbi Noon, Arbi Fasi, Ye Arbi Pa, Arbi Waw. Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Lam, Arbi Mim, Arbi Cha, Arbi Alif, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Ta, Arbi Alif, Arbi Ta, Arbi Waw, Arbi Waw, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Sin, Arbi Waw, Arbi Noon, Arbi Bari, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Bari, Arbi Sin, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Bari, Arbi Alif, Arbi Pa, Arbi Noon, Arbi Bari, Arbi Pa, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Ra, Arbi Kaf, Arbi He, Arbi Sin, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Ta, Arbi Alif, Arbi Ta, Arbi He, Arbi Alif, Arbi Alif, Arbi Waw, Arbi Ra, Arbi Ra, Arbi Alif. Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Pa, Arbi Waw, Arbi Te, Arbi Lam, Arbi Fas. Ye Arbi Lam, Arbi Bari, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Ra, Arbi Sin, Arbi Fas. Ye Arbi Dal, Arbi He, Arbi Alif, Arbi Gaf, Arbi Alif, Arbi Hamzat Law, Arbi Kachabi, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Bari, Arbi Sin, Arbi Ra, Arbi Pa, Arbi Noon, Arbi Cha, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Bari, Arbi Pa, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Gaf, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Ra, Arbi Pa, Arbi Noon, Arbi Cha, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi La. Arbi Alif Mamduda, Arbi He, Arbi Ra, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Alif, Arbi Ra, Arbi Sin, Arbi Ra, Arbi Pa, Arbi Noon, Arbi Cha, Arbi Noon, Arbi Bari, Arbi Waw, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Pa, Arbi Waw, Arbi Te, Arbi Lam, Arbi Fasi. Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Lam, Arbi Mim, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Waw, Arbi Waw, Arbi Alif, Arbi Pa, Arbi Sin, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Ra, Arbi Dal, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Alif, Arbi Waw, Arbi Ra, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Alif. Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Lam, Arbi. Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Lam, Arbi Mim, Arbi Noon, Arbi Bari, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Waw, Arbi Noon, Arbi Bari, Arbi Sin, Arbi Bari, Arbi Alif, Arbi Fasi. Arbi Kaf, Arbi Noon, Arbi Fasi. Arbi Alif, Arbi Ba, Arbi Fasi. Arbi Lam, Arbi Alif, Arbi Waw, Arbi Ra, Arbi Alif, Arbi Cha, Arbi He, Arbi Bari, Arbi Ba, Arbi Fasi. Arbi Jim, Arbi He, Arbi Ra, Arbi Fasi. Arbi Dal, Arbi Bari, Arbi Alif, Arbi Sin, Arbi Alif, Arbi Lam, Arbi Alif. Arbi Noon, Arbi Ta, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Jim, Arbi Kachasi. Arbi Alif, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Mim, Arbi Alif, Arbi Noon, Arbi Dal, Arbi Alif, Arbi Ra, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Ba, Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Ta, Arbi Ra, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Noon, Arbi He, Arbi Kaf, Arbi Mim, Arbi Ta, Arbi Tain, Arbi Mim, Arbi Lam, Arbi Fasi. Ye Arbi Kachasi, Arbi Ba. Without hesitation, Aslam took the pouch and went straight to the village headman, the Sarpanch. He explained how he found the gold and insisted that it should be returned to its rightful owner. The Sarpanch was deeply impressed by Aslam's honesty. He called a meeting and gathered all the villagers to find out if anyone had lost the pouch. The entire village assembled in the main square, curious about the mysterious pouch. The Sarpanch showed the gold coins to everyone and asked if anyone recognized or claimed them. Days passed, but no one came forward. The villagers whispered among themselves, amazed at Aslam's honesty and the unusual turn of events. Despite several days of waiting, no one in the village claimed the pouch of gold coins. The Sarpanch made announcements and asked everyone again, but the owner remained unknown. The villagers began to see the gold as a reward for Aslam's honesty, and many started to admire him even more for his integrity. Finally, the Sarpanch decided that since no one claimed the gold, it should be returned to Aslam. He praised Aslam in front of the whole village, saying, "This is your reward for being honest." The villagers cheered, and Aslam felt proud, not just for the gold, but for staying true to his value. With the gold coins, Aslam bought a new ox and high-quality seeds. For the first time, he was able to invest in his farm and dream of a better harvest. The villagers watched as Aslam worked even harder, grateful for the opportunity that honesty had brought him. His life began to change for the better. That year, Aslam's fields produced more crops than ever before. The once barren land was now full of life and abundance. Aslam's hard work, combined with his honesty, had finally paid off. The villagers were amazed at the transformation and often visited his farm to see the result. Aslam's story spread throughout the village. People began to use his honesty as an example for their children. They realized that being truthful and doing the right thing brings its own rewards. Aslam became a role model, and his actions inspired others to act with integrity. The old, dried-up tree that once hid the gold became a symbol in the village. People believed it was magical, for it had brought fortune to the most honest man in the village. Children played around it, and elders told the story of Aslam and the magical tree for generations to come. In the end, Aslam's life changed not because of luck, but because of his honesty. The villagers learned that honesty truly is the best policy. Aslam's story reminds us all that doing the right thing, even when it's hard, can lead to unexpected rewards and lasting respect.